All right, what's up, guys? Aaron from Great Lakes RC out for a little driveway bash.
All right, we're gonna do a little later evening bash. Nice. The little Gravedigger LMT's out. I got the Valkyrie out. I had this truck all apart, fully apart, because it sounded like a chainsaw. Brake, ooh! And what I found was, in the gear train, a rock. And it was a decent sized rock, so doesn't sound like a chainsaw anymore. Camel, come over here, bud. So how the rock got in there, I don't know. And I have been more than happy with this car. Oh no, there's the sound again. Oh boy. So that's what this was doing to me before, that sound. And I thought I had it fixed. Literally, I've had this car fully apart. So I don't know why it sounds like that. So I guess it just sounds like that. Yeah, I mean, it's got some bad cogging too. Now that's ever since I put in the 6L ESC. Boy, it sounds like a chainsaw, guys. I don't know what's up with this car. But I guess this is just how it sounds. Because literally all the gears are perfect. Now I do probably need to change the timing and the punch settings on this ESC. This is a 6L ESC. So I need to look at that. Maybe I'll turn the timing down and the punch down. I don't know. So I guess this is just how this truck sounds. Whatever gear mesh moved, maybe, I don't know, because it didn't originally sound like that. I'm also not getting full punch either. Like, I'm not getting wheelies. And it wants to cog. So I don't know. I've been really happy with this car. It's really cheap. And it ran like really good when I first got it. And then I messed up the polarity and killed the stock speed control. Which I contacted Redcat. Oh, there we go. Huh. Now it seems to be working and sounding better. There it is again. It's almost like maybe the motor. I don't like how the motor mount is. I wonder if it has something to do with that way that motor mount works. It does move around quite a bit. So maybe that has something to do with it. Maybe it's just the gear mesh on the motor mount. I don't know. Anyway, I did contact Redcat just to say, hey, I messed up. Is there anything you can do for me? Can I send the ESC back? Maybe, you know, I could get a discount on a new one. Literally, they ignored me. Everybody always talks about how great Redcat service is. I went direct to their website and gave them the whatever, went through the help section. I bought it direct through Redcat, so I had my order number, everything. Never even responded. So maybe they were just like, hey, you admitted you screwed up. We're not going to even try to help you. But I thought that was a little kind of crappy. You know, I wasn't asking for a free ESC. See, now the truck's moving great. And it doesn't sound like a chainsaw. Oh! So, I don't know. This is kind of weird, guys. Now let's do a jump. Oh! Yeah, chainsaw. So something gear train wise is moving around in there, and then it's settling itself out. Yeah. So anyway. Ooh. Whoa, 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 whoa. All right, watch out. Come over here. I want to do a bigger jump. Whoa! Ooh. Maybe this truck just doesn't like hard concrete landings. All right, watch out, dude. I'm coming. Coming through. Step back. Oh, nice. Hit the downslope. Ooh. Oh, there's the chainsaw again. All right, so this is just how this truck is. I'll check my motor mesh and whatnot. Maybe I can mess with that. Oh, I nailed it! I did. Oh, cartwheel, cartwheel. Did I break you? No. Okay, good. Let's see if I can do this again. You ready? Here we go. Oh, yeah. That was awesome. Ooh, you almost did it. Okay, I have to try again. Oh, don't hit it too hard. Go ahead. Ooh, oh, you got it. You did it. You got it. You totally got it. Go on the ramp. Here, Campbell. Go up on the ramp slow and then nail it and then see if you can backflip it. What? What? Oh, out of battery. Yeah, it's because you're... turn it off and then turn it back on again. Ooh! I'll let you drive this one, bud. I'm gonna try this trick one more time. Oh, didn't get it that time. All right, I better do a jump before I hand this off to my son. Anyway, so I guess this is a little bit of a review of this Valkyrie. Great RC. There's just something going on with when it lands. All the gears are good. And then it, like I said, it just kind of resets itself after a minute. So it's really kind of odd. Oh, see, that sounds really, now we're cogging. Boy, now we won't even move. Turn it off. All right, so we'll use this opportunity as a little bit of a channel update as well. The last video that I posted was, I said it was a Labor Day bash, so it was on Labor Day, and we were having fun with the cars, and that was the first time I had been out in like 3 weeks. Football season for both of my boys has started, and I'm heavily involved on their football teams. I'm the head coach for my son's flag team, and then my older son, I help out during practice, not during games, but I do a lot during practice, running drills and stuff. So that means my Monday through Friday and Saturday too is pretty much taken up with football. So videos are definitely slowing down, and then we'll be getting into winter, and then we'll be doing more crawling and driveway stuff. So that's kind of where the channel is going to be at. We crossed over 1,500 subscribers, which was amazing. So I really put a big emphasis on doing some videos this summer. I had updated my logo and all that graphic stuff, and then I started doing more shorts. And I was trying to hit 2,000. I said that was at the end of the year would be my goal. At this pace we're on, I'm definitely not going to hit that, but that's okay. It definitely grew the channel. I love the look of the logo and the channel now. So that's, at the end of the day, that's what this is. This is a hobby, and it's fun. It's fun for me. It's fun to share it. Some of the videos I don't think are going to be any good. I actually get a lot of people commenting and saying, hey, you know, great video, love seeing you out with the boys. So that's the kind of stuff that I enjoy, and it keeps me making videos, honestly. And I made that Blade 235 CP video just because I had just gotten that helicopter, and I'm a beginner at helicopter, and I thought some people might find value from it, and I've actually got a ton of comments. So stuff like that, really, I enjoy. I enjoy the sharing, and when you get that type of response, it really makes it all worthwhile. All right, so Valkyrie. Ooh, backflip. So speed control and power system. I love the stock motor. I gotta do a different speed control. Anybody got any good suggestions on what I should try? I always go hobby wing. I feel like I want to try something different. Castle. I do Castle every now and again. Maybe I'll try that Amazon brand. I've been seeing XC or CX. I've been seeing them around. Maybe I'll try that, because I really think this is ESC related. Oh! Got her around. Man, I love hitting that downslope. Oh, I almost want whatever's going on in there, I almost want it to break so I can figure it out. This sounds horrible. Oh, and then it just cogs at slow down. This is ESC. It's gotta be. All right, I'm gonna leave it here. What I got going on, this is just not right. It's just not right. So I don't know what it is. I'm gonna figure it out, because I like this truck, and like I said multiple times in this video, I've had this thing fully apart. These gears are perfect. Every single one of these gears is perfect. Anyway, catch you next time. Great Lakes RC out.